Hi everyone, Mrs. Irwin here. I'm going to go over what you're going to be doing today. So we're going to ask that you go outside and spend some time outside. And you're going to collect some materials, and we want you to build a model of a soil profile. So here's what we're going to use here at school. So we're going to use tubes like this. And in this tube, students are going to go outside and collect materials to build a soil profile. Now, hopefully you've learned so far that a soil profile is divided into layers. It starts with the bedrock, and then the C horizon is above the bedrock, followed by the B horizon, the A horizon, and the O horizon at the very top. That's what we're going to ask you to create. Now, if you don't have a tube like this, here are some things you can maybe find at home. First, you could use a glass jar. Okay? Just open the top, and you can again build your soil profile in a glass jar. Maybe you have a soup container. Okay? This would be a great way to build your soil profile. Or, if anything, a plastic cup. But try to find something where your parents would be okay if you put some materials inside to build your soil profile. Next, these materials are optional. If you have a little hand shovel, that would definitely help you from when you go outside. And possibly a hammer. You could hit some rocks if you needed to break them into smaller pieces, but these two materials are completely optional. Finally, here are some of the materials I found outside to build my soil profile. First, I found rocks of all different sizes. I'm going to be using these in one of my layers of my soil profile. Same thing with this. I found some ground up dirt that's in kind of some big clunky pieces. I could use some of that. Next, I found some dead decaying grass. Okay, so this is grass. It's in the process of decaying, so I could definitely use some of that somewhere in my soil profile. I also found some really fine dirt. It's really thin and fine. Okay, I could use that somewhere in my soil profile. I found some dead leaves. And then finally, the last thing I found is I picked up some grass with the roots still attached. So these are the materials I collected outside to build my soil profile. And so I would use these materials again. And I would start with my R horizon, my bedrock. So I would try to find which of these best represents bedrock. And then my C horizon, my B horizon, A horizon, and then on top my O horizon. So we're going to ask you to go outside and try to find materials that you could use to build a soil profile. Now, if the weather's not cooperating or if your parents are like, don't dig up my yard, totally understand. You could also use materials around your house. Go look in your pantry and go look in possibly in your bathroom or your bedroom and gather some household materials that you could use to still build a soil profile. Think of rice, flour, sugar, coffee, so on and so forth. Those materials you could also use to build your soil profile. When you're done, take a picture of it, and then you're going to insert that picture into the assignment in this module. Okay, so have fun, go outside, get your hands dirty, and we will see you soon. If you have any questions, please reach out to your science teacher. Have fun. Bye.